If you know these 44 sounds, you can pronounce almost any English word.
Vowels. The long I sound, E, as in tea, meat, sea, and peace. The short I sound, I, as in sit, if, bit, and list. The short E sound, E, as in yes, well, bed, and head. The long A sound, A, as in day, wait, make, and say. The short A sound, A, as in hat, man, cat, and black. The short U sound, as in cup, love, bus, and up. The schwa sound, as in banana, chicken, about, and sofa. The weak vowel sound, as in letter, doctor, water, and mother. The short O sound, as in hot, father, stop, and top. The short sound, as in ball, caught, law, and thought. The long O sound, O, as in go, coat, boat, and show. The long oo sound, oo, as in two, blue, food, and shoe. The short oo sound, as in book, put, good, and look. The sound I, as in fine, high, time, and my. The sound oi, as in boy, oil, voice, and choice. The diphthong sound, ow, as in house, now, out, and down. The sound as in word, turn, girl, and bird. Consonants. The voiceless bilabial plosive sound, p, as in pop, happy, pen, and map. The sound b, as in baby, robber, bad, and back. The T sound, t, as in to, get, time, and cat.
The D sound, D, as in did, add, dog, and day.
The K sound, as in key, call, keep, and black. The voiced velar plosive sound, G, as in good, dog, go, and big. The sound S, as in sun, nice, sea, and city. The voiced Z sound, Z, as in zoo, these, zip, and please. The sh sound, as in shoe, information, she, and wash. The ch sound, ch, as in chips, watch, chair, and catch. The j sound, j, as in joke, bridge, jam, and edge. The sound y, yes, use, yellow, you. The f sound, f, as in fan, off, phone, and find. The sound v, as in very, leave, voice, and 5. The w sound, w, as in wet, away, one, and win. The h sound, h, as in how, who, hat, and home. The th sound, th, as in think, month, thanks, and both. The voiced th sound, v, as in other, that, this, and mother. The sound, as in me, summer, make, and time. The sound n, as in no, nine, no, and name. The ing sound, as in sing, think, ring, and long. The l sound, l, as in light, fall, love, and help. The r consonant sound, r, as in right, hear, read, and read. Consonant blends and clusters. The bl blend, bl, as in black, blue, blind, and block. The cl consonant blend sound, cl, as in class, clean, clock, and close. The sound fl, as in fly, floor, flower, and flat. The sound gl, as in glass, glad, glow, and glove. The pl consonant blend sound, pl, as in play, please, place, and plant. The sl consonant blend, sl, as in sleep, slow, slide, and slip. The consonant blend br, as in brown, brave, bring, and bread. The cr sound, cr, as in cry, cross, crown, and crazy. The dr consonant blend sound, dr, as in drink, drive, draw, and dream. The fr sound, fr, as in free, friend, frog, and front. The gr sound, gr, as in green, great, grow, and group. The pr sound. Pr, as in price, print, proud, and prove. The tr sound. Tr, as in tree, try, true, and train. The sound sk, sc, sk, sch, as in sky, skill, skin, and spool. The sm sound. Sm, as in small, smile, smart, and smell. The sn sound. Sn, as in snow, snake, snack, and snail. The sound of sp, as in speak, sport, space, and spend. The st sound. St, as in star, stop, stay, and stand. The swa sound. Swa, as in swim, sweet, sweep, and swan. The spr cluster. Spur, as in spring, spray, spread, and sprout. The str blend, as in street, strong, straight, and strike. The sound scr, S-C-R, as in screen, scream, scratch, and scroll. The split, splash, and splendid blend. Spl, as in split, splash, splendid, and explore. The TW blend sound. Twa, as in twin, 12, twice, and tweet. The QU spelling pattern. Qua, as in quick, quiet, queen, and question. The consonant blend DW. Dwa, as in dwarf, dwell, dwindle, and dwelling. Ending consonant blends. The sound nk, as in think, bank, pink, and drink. The final consonant blend sound. Ft, as in left, gift, soft, and lift. The final consonant blend sound. Olt, as in salt, belt, melt, and adult. The final consonant cluster, PT, as in kept, slept, accept, and adapt. The final consonant blend sound, kt, as in fact, act, direct, and project. The final D consonant cluster, nd, as in hand, find, wind, and send. The final blend, NT, nt, as in want, plant, front, and tent. The ending consonant cluster, st, as in fast, best, test, and cost. The sk consonant blend sound. Sk, as in ask, desk, task, and risk. The MP consonant blend, mp, as in camp, jump, lamp, and bump.